Meet Emma, a healthcare worker working hard to achieve her career goals while also dealing with student loans. Emma wants to buy a car, but she knows it's important to handle her money carefully. Determined to gain clarity, Emma takes the first step by creating her base planner in CashTrac. To ensure accurate cash projections, she navigates to the form view of the base planner and begins filling it out meticulously. She starts by entering her current account balance. Next, Emma inputs her monthly income, including wages, tips, and any additional sources of revenue. Now, Emma focuses on her debts. She enters her monthly payments for credit cards, personal loan, and student loan. Emma then lists her monthly living expenses. She begins by setting aside $200 for her wardrobe needs. Emma then divides her food expenses, allocating $200 for eating out and $350 for groceries. She then turns her attention to insurance, entering $80 for health insurance and $22 for life insurance. Emma proceeds to input her rent. She then considers miscellaneous expenses, setting aside $100 for it. Emma then accounts for subscriptions and dues. Next, she addresses utilities, allocating $90 for gas and electricity, and $20 for TV, phone, and internet services. Lastly, Emma enters her monthly savings, allocating a portion of her income to build her financial reserves. With her base planner complete, Emma visualizes her cash flow in the graph, seeing the projected cash positions for upcoming months. As Emma adjusts the timeframe to 1 year, she gains clarity on her cash position for each month, from August 2nd to September 2nd and beyond. Filled with inspiration, Emma clicks on Quick Plans to craft a financial roadmap tailored for purchasing her dream car. Starting by naming the planner Toyota, she sets the start date as June 1, 2024, with a loan tenure spanning 4 years. Next, Emma enters the necessary information for her car purchase, including the down payment, monthly loan payment, insurance, fuel costs, and maintenance expenses. Utilizing the groundwork she's already laid in her base planner, Emma seamlessly imports that data by selecting the base planner option. However, as she creates a quick plan, she notices a concerning dip indicating a negative balance on June 1st. Undeterred, Emma decides to create another planner, named Toyota 2, this time starting from November 1st, 2024. Keeping the tenure same, that is 4 years. She fills this planner with the exact same details as that of previous Toyota planner. This time, to her delight, the graph shows a positive cash position, indicating that she can afford to buy a car in November 2024. Feeling excited about her upcoming purchase, Emma decides to make some adjustments to her base planner. She scrolls down to the cash grid and zeroes in on her miscellaneous expenses. Currently, it includes her commuting charges, but Emma knows it's time for a change. Next, in the pop-up box, Emma changes the amount from $100 to $10 and save the edit. With an eye on efficiency, Emma selects to apply this edit from December 1st to all upcoming transactions. In the detailed view of the monthly transaction, she can see her miscellaneous expenses has changed for December and upcoming months.